This will stop your toothache in seconds. Toothache or tooth pain can often be caused when the nerve to a tooth is irritated, but there are numerous other causes for tooth pain. Dental infection, gum disease, plaque, dental decay, injury, cracked teeth, poorly placed fillings or crowns, failing or leaking fillings or crowns, or loss of a tooth including tooth extractions. Temporomandibular joint TMJ disorders and obstructive sleep apnea are all common causes of dental pain. One of the worst known and most annoying pains of all is the tooth pain, which is also completely unbearable. In fact, this pain is so intense that distracts you from any obligation, puts you in a bad mood, and you can't eat freely as you always do. The best option to cure the tooth pain is to run to your trusted dentist. However, toothache usually appears unexpected in the late evening hours, which is inappropriate time to go to your dentist. Or imagine you're traveling away, or you can't go to your dentist for some reason. What will you do to help yourself or help your children? That's why all people should know about this homemade remedy, which is very effective and provides instant relief. Probably the biggest problem that can happen is the night tooth pain, which can wake you up in late evening hours and disturb your sleep. The natural remedy that is written in this video is really good and effective, so good that the tooth pain will disappear in just 1 minute. Natural remedy that removes toothache in just a few seconds. To make this simple and great remedy, all you'll need are the following ingredients: clove powder, coconut oil. As you see, you can find these ingredients extremely easy, or you may already have them at your home. To make this natural remedy, follow this procedure. Take half a teaspoon of both ingredients, put them in a glass and mix until you get a paste consistency. Apply this mixture on the tooth and gum that's hurting you and you will feel instant relief. You can do this up to 3 times a day. Why this remedy really works? All this is due to eugenol, a substance contained in the clove powder, which is a really effective analgesic, while the coconut oil has antibacterial effects. Everyone should know about this effective homemade remedy. Share this video and help your friends and relatives to get rid of the tooth pain.